Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike is a game changer in the world of urban commuting, especially for adults seeking a reliable, compact, and efficient means of travel. With a robust 500W motor, this e-bike can effortlessly reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both leisurely rides and more intense commutes. The folding feature is particularly noteworthy. It allows for easy storage and transport, fitting into small spaces without difficulty. The bike's construction is sturdy yet lightweight, which is essential for those who may need to carry it upstairs or onto public transport. The frame is designed to accommodate various rider heights, with options for 14, 16, 20, and 26 wheel sizes, ensuring that it caters to a wide range of adult riders. This versatility contributes to its appeal, as users can select a model that best fits their body type and riding style. One of the standout elements of the Isinwheel e-bike is its battery life. The removable battery offers a decent range, allowing users to travel significant distances on a single charge. This is perfect for those who want to avoid the hassle of frequent recharging. Furthermore, the bike features multiple speed settings, which provide flexibility depending on the terrain and riding conditions. The braking system is reliable, offering both front and rear disc brakes that enable confident stopping power, even at higher speeds. Additionally, the overall ride quality is smooth, with good shock absorption that makes navigating city streets or bumpy paths a breeze. However, it's worth noting that assembly can be a bit challenging for those not familiar with bicycles, so some basic mechanical skills are recommended. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike impresses with its blend of performance, portability, and practicality, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or simply enjoy the freedom of cycling without the strain of traditional pedaling.